No, something wrong. Let me check with this unnecessarily, not to create a confusion. But I hope you understood how exactly this pricing concept works. Okay, so let me again go to this configuration. Accesses and all we discussed. Just remember, if there are more conditions, in this case, what is happening is, in my access sequences, I can tell the system which tables to use. Okay, so if I go for PR02, I am able to select the tables in which there is a combination available. For example, if I want my price to be determined based on the combination of customer and material, okay, in that case, I will select this. I will tell the system that my combination is based on customer and material. But let's assume that you want to add a new combination. Okay, the combination which doesn't exist here. So one option is you will click on new entries and you will select that condition table where you are able to find your combination. But sometimes, even if you are not able to find that combination, some field which you are looking for and which is not available here, based on which you want to determine the price, in that case, you will be able to create your own condition tables also. So if you come out, okay, normally it is very rare to create your own condition tables, but yes, it is possible. So within pricing control, if you go to condition tables, you can see if you want to display the condition tables which are already available, you will click on change. Okay, it will give you the list of all the tables and combinations. But let's say I want to create my new table. So in that case, I will click on create condition table, and the number that you need to give should be more than 501. Okay, from 1 to 500 are reserved for the standard tables. If you want to create your own custom table, then you should give the number starting from 501. So if 501 is available, take 501. If 501 is already exists, then verify what is the next number available. You can see there are many Z tables created: 501, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see there are a lot of created. Just identify which one is missing. It's, for example, 529 is not created. So I'll come here and I will create 529, and system will give me the list of all those fields which are available, based on which you can determine your pricing. Okay, so for example, if you want bill to party, if you want whatever, let me select. So if I want business partner, or sorry, I want bill to party. So first let me double click on this or select this and move to just 1 minute. I don't want to select this. Just give me a minute. No. So 529. Here I will select bill to party. I will select any other field, for example, based on city code, based on the country. So whatever fields you want to include in your condition, you can just keep on including that, and then you can create your own condition table. So sales distribution channel, sorry, division if you want to bring. So this will be the combination of different characteristics will be created as a table. Okay, and this table, whatever you created, you can use this table in your condition category, in your access sequence. Okay, so normally this table you can also create, but normally we ask this type of tables to be created by the technical team. What you can do is, in the test system, if you are trying to create, just click on the local object. Okay, and the system will be able to create the table for you. Now this table I can go and I can use in the access sequence. Okay, so if I want to include this combination in PR02 access sequence, I can double click on accesses again, where exactly you want to bring it. So whether you want to bring it at the last or you want to bring in between, based on that you will be providing the number. So let's say this number is 2 and I am selecting the table that we just now created. Okay, you can see this one. enter. Okay. Any particular question till now? I think this one you will be only able to get confidence when you try creating your own condition types, creating your own pricing procedures. The way I shown you, you can copy from the standard one, you can change your conditions, you can provide some values in VK11, you can maintain the scales, and based on that, you can try it out. Any questions? Akshay, Tushar?
Good. Hello.
Yes, Tushar.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Tushar, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have a question that we have different access sequence. So once we put a one condition in one sequence and one condition in second sequence, access sequence. So it can be determined, or we should have to be stick in one sequence, one access sequence
No, no.
only.
For one condition type, you have one access sequence. If you have multiple condition types, for example, you can use one access sequence for PR00, but for discounts, you can use another access sequence. So you can create multiple access sequence and you can assign it to your condition types.
Can use the means we can use many access sequences.
Many access sequence within one condition type is not possible. For multiple condition types, multiple access sequences are possible.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. So pricing processing is we stick to just as we have that sales organization have many distribution channel. So in pricing processing we have the same thing, or we can create a multiple means, because we can see
Multiple also.
we all.
Yes, you can
Okay.
create multiple also. Na? So it totally, that is the reason SAP has provided this pricing procedure determination. Na? So if you want a different pricing procedure for a different type of distribution channels, different divisions, even these are the two fields which are normally available in your documents. So document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure. Even for different
Okay.
customers also, you can have the different pricing procedures. Okay, so for example, if you go to the customer master data, normally we don't maintain at that level, but practically it is possible. So I'm just showing you that you can do that also. Okay, so if you go to pricing information here, sorry, orders. Within orders, if you come down, you can see pricing group and customer pricing procedure. So if I have two different pricing procedures which I want to assign to two different customers, what I can do is here I will specify the customer pricing procedure, let's say 1 and 2. So what I can do is in this exercise, in this configuration, I will tell the system that if my customer pricing procedure is 1, I want to use this pricing procedure. If my customer pricing procedure is 2, then I want to use another pricing procedure. So that is completely fine.
Okay.
See, you can see this example itself. This is one sales organization, which is standard sales organization delivered by SAP. Based on
Okay.
different criteria, they are using different pricing procedures.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay, if not, I will take a simple topic, which is account determination, which is again a most important topic, but that is normally the a topic which is related to FI and SD integration. Okay, so what happens is now, if you remember last time, we were getting the error, and I told you no need to worry at this stage because anyways we are going to discuss this account determination topic in future. So If I take the same sales order, let me first save that sales order. I think we are creating, but we have not saved any sales order. So if I go to VA01, okay, press enter. And if I take this customer, this reference, payment term, import term, and for this particular material, okay, whatever quantity I want, plant, enter, and try to save this. Okay, so my sales order has been saved. Now, with respect to the sales order, we discussed last time what we normally do once the sales order is created based on the delivery date. First of all, we will see whether the order status is confirmed or not. So I'll go to sales document, display. Okay, only if it is confirmed based on the delivery date, we'll be able to perform the delivery of this particular material. Got stuck. Okay, so this is the order that we created just now, 758. In this one, let me go to material. Go to conditions, sorry, not conditions, go to shipping or schedule lines and verify whether the quantity is confirmed or not. You can see the quantity is confirmed, but it is confirmed on 5th of October, which means I'll be able to deliver this material on 5th of October because the next working day is 5th of October. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. So 5th of October only is available as my factory calendar as a delivery day. So I'll go to transaction VL01N in order to perform the delivery against this particular order. My shipping point is also RECH or it is RC01. Okay, so you can see on today's date there is no order which is to be delivered, but on 5th of October I can deliver this order. So I'll go to picking. I will enter the storage location, which is S001 in my case, and I will enter the picked quantity as 10 units. Okay, and I'll perform PGA, post goods issue. Now, can you tell me what is this problem? Posting only possible in period 2026 period and 2025 period. So what is happening is system to, yeah, Tushar, go ahead.
In OBYC, I think we have to be post the period you told us in your session.
OBYC, what?
Oh, sorry, sir. I do actually the posting period problem, which we have to be post in that particular.
Right.
I
See,
think.
when you are working on SD module, whenever you are trying to do any goods movement, currently what we are trying to do is we are trying to deliver the material, which is a goods movement. Material will be going out. So first of all, it has an integration with MM. Okay, so MM posting period should be open. And then once the MM posting period is open, once the MM movement is allowed, it will also verify whether FI period is open or not. So currently this error that we are getting, this is related to the MM period. Okay, currently MM period is closed. That is the reason we are getting this error. So how to open the MM period? There is a transaction called as MMPV. Normally, if you are getting this error in your production environment, then you need to contact your MM consultant. Okay, normally as a SD consultant, we should not touch this. So our company code is RECH, and we have to ensure that the 6th period is already closed. Currently, we are in the 7th month. So what we will do here is 7th period of 2025.